Gemini Ascendant is another fascinating chart. So we know now the auspiciousness of the Ascendant Lord. The sign of Gemini is being ruled by Mercury in this chart. Mercury rules the first house and the fourth house. Mercury is quite auspicious for this chart. There will be a strong karma with the mother or mother figures from the connection of the first and the fourth houses. The most auspicious combination in this chart is the combination of Mercury and Venus. They both rule the fourth house and fifth house respectively. Another auspicious combination would be Jupiter and Venus, which create the 10th house and 5th house connection. These two planets also create a 7th house and 12th house relationship, showing international relations. Much abundance can come from the Gemini chart, as all the benefics rule most of the positive houses. The combination of Jupiter and Mercury can be seen as a positive combination also, as both these grahas rule all four of the kendras. The financial combination in this chart is seen by the Moon and Mars, which rule the second house and the 11th house respectively. A combination of Jupiter and the Moon can indicate finances from stepping into the 10th house. The 7th house rulership of Jupiter could indicate a Maraka connection of finances from business or partnership, even marriage. Venus and the Moon connection can show creations, increasing the values. Any of these combinations show manifestations of these events, and the planets will filter how it is delivered by their energy. Rahu in this chart becomes the Yoga Karaka from the 4th house and 9th house combination. So Rahu in this chart holds a lot of the power and innate talents. The placement of Rahu, of course, needs to be seen, although fortune will increase from such a combination if Rahu is well supported in this chart. This will come to pass. The only thing that needs to be observed carefully is the heart and the intention of the soul from the 4th house rulership, as Rahu is the master of deceit and shortcuts. Ketu rules the 10th house, so these lunar nodes hold a lot of power and most of the karma for this chart. They will manifest their energy quite strongly. Saturn has a bittersweet relationship with the Gemini chart by ruling both the 8th house as well as the 9th house. This shows Saturn holding a lot of growth potential for this chart, although the 8th house will prove to be challenging. The 9th house connection shows the lessons will eventually be learned. We should please keep in mind that these are just blank chart insights. The placements of the planets in our personal horoscopes will have the ultimate say for how the karma manifests in this incarnation. Mars will prove to be another challenging energy by ruling the 6th house. Although the malefic quality of Mars will be happy to put in the hard work daily, the Sun and Ketu combination can prove to be the challenging combination in this chart by the 3rd house and the 6th house connection. A fascinating chart with so many possibilities. Now let us look at the Kendra powerhouse, the Cancer Ascendant chart. Please subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share. I'd be most grateful.